Let's discover what careers based on economic research look like. Welcome to the CERGE-EI Festival. Gathered in one place for one day, prospective students got the chance to meet CERGE-EI professors in an informal setting. Small groups, big questions. Alumni from academia, policy, and the private sector shared what economic research looks like in real life.
Economics gives you this beautiful understanding of how societies work. And if you want to change them and have an impact, you need to know the rules. You need to know how people behave, what are their incentives, how they make decisions, how they allocate resources. CERGE-EI gave me that foundation. It gives me the tools also not only to understand, but also to change the world and have an impact.
I studied at CERGE-EI for 6 years. I'm now an assistant professor in Portugal, and I'm happy to be back in Prague to actually talk a little bit about what I've been doing so far. So I was a part of an academic roundtable, and I was happy to actually share the beautiful parts of academia, including the flexibility of work. I get to work whatever I want to work on in terms of the topic. So I think both of these things are super important.
Experiences and insights from diverse academic environments help students learn new perspectives and acquire a new set of skills.
Hello, I'm Sofiana. I'm a sixth-year PhD student at CERGE-EI, and I did a research stay at the University of Copenhagen last year. And I would say that the one thing that I learned the most about being there is learning how to communicate my ideas to an entirely new audience who doesn't know who you are or what you do. I would say this is the one thing that I still apply to my research today.
I spent the spring 2025 on a research mobility at UC Berkeley, and it really was the time of my life. I met many new people and gathered tons of inspiration for my own research.
Thank you for being part of a day that connects research, inspiration, and people. See you next time.